Let's now set up the company profile. You can find this menu on your left hand side menu under the company accordion, and if you are on a agency plan, you will have the option to create as many companies as you want. We will get to that on a separate video, but for each organization or each company that you add in your account, or even if you just have one company, this is where you will create the profile of the company. So it starts with name of the company. This is what you will see on the front end. The description of the company, any contact person that you want to keep for your record, that phone number for that contact person, and also address of the company. This address here is just for your own record. For any billing purposes, the name of the company and billing address will be updated in the profile in the My Account section. You can also enable the security in terms of encrypting your personally identifiable information by checking on this button. It will comply to ensuring that the PII information of the learners is encrypted with AES 256 key at rest and also during transit. But it will have some impact on your reporting modules. So for example, the the columns available in the record of each learner will not be sortable. You can also set up the internal storage. If you are using the storage that comes with the application, you will see how much of GB space you have left and how many participants you have. If you are on the agency plan, you will be able to set these values for each of the companies that you have. You can also connect your own S3 Amazon S3 bucket by putting in these details. This is a one-time service that you can this is an add-on service that you can buy from the billing page, and once this is enabled, you will be able to attach your own Amazon S3 bucket and have the sole custody of your data. This is the place where you can customize everything in the application in accordance with branding guidelines of your company. You can put up the company logo. This is the large logo that you see on the left hand side. You can also put a small logo. The small logo will be used, will be shown when the menu is in collapse mode. So if you collapse the menu, you will see the small logo here. You will also have the access to show powered by logo in case you have the agency plan. This powered by logo will appear here at the bottom of the left hand side menu, and you can set a smaller version of this logo for the collapsed menu. You can also customize the subdomain or vanity URL for your organization. So the way you do that is you type the name of the URL that you would like to have. This subdomain function will create an URL that will have the name of your company followed by .easyae.in. If you want to change or apply for the subdomain, then you click on this button. If it is available, it will let you know with a green tick here. And once you save, right at the end of this form, this setting will get saved. You will have access to custom labels, so you can have this application show up in multiple languages using different labels for dashboard, for learning plans, for content, and this is the place where you can change it. You can also use any other language by pasting the Unicode text from Google Sheets in here in these placeholders, and it will replace the menu items with the placeholder with the labels that you paste. You can also customize the color of the left hand side menu by clicking on these palettes here, or you can choose your own. So let me quickly show you. If I click on this, this takes up the color from the left hand side menu, and this is the color that gets selected here, which you can see. I can also change it in real time by clicking on different palettes. I can also choose a color by using this picker. I can also customize my right hand side or the canvas of this application. I can choose any color from here. It'll, as you can see at the back, the color is getting changed. I can change it to a different color, or I can simply come and pick a color of my choice according to my brand guidelines and make that the color of the canvas. So this is fully customizable as far as your colors go, and you can also change the color of the font on the left hand side and also on the right hand side. So let me quickly do that. So let's make this yellow. As you can see, everything in here has turned yellow, and if I want to choose the right font, the font color of the right hand side, I can do that from here. You can also choose which font you would like the system to use for your application, and you can also choose the button colors that button colors. For example, for the save button, you can choose a color, and this will now be the color for all save buttons in the entire application. And wherever there are other buttons, you can choose the color which you want to see for the other colors. You can also choose from multiple patterns that we have here. These patterns will be applied on the canvas side. So if I click on this one pattern, you will see some of these bubbles here, which is the pattern. If I click on the pattern number 2, you will see the different patterns that will appear on the canvas side. So this is the way to fully customize the look and feel of your application. Let's now look at the login page. This is a preview of your login page. You can give a welcome message. This welcome message will appear on top of your login page, and you can also put down a footer. This footer will appear across the application and also on the login page right at the bottom. You also have the ability to run a slider of different images. You can set up these images right here. You can set up to 3 images for now, and you can remove these images and add any more images as you want them to appear in the slider on the login page. Here you will see the custom URL, the vanity URL of your company. You can simply check on this, and this will get copied to your clipboard, so you can use this to send across in your email for people to log in. And once you hit the save button here, then everything that you have created or customized for your company gets saved right away.